Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Work in Progress. In this video today, I would like to share with you a green smoothie for breakfast that is great for weight loss. This green, creamy, healthy, and delicious smoothie will help to keep you fuller longer and reduce your urge to overeat. This green smoothie consists of spinach that is very high in fiber, vitamins, mineral, and antioxidants. Spinach are also low in fat, which makes it ideal for promoting weight loss. Bananas contain many powerful antioxidant, important nutrients, and natural sugar that will help you to lose weight quickly. Adding bananas to your smoothie eliminates the need for added sugar and other processed sweetener. Milk is also a great energy booster. You can substitute milk for soy milk, almond milk, or any other dairy substitute. Studies have shown that those who drink milk as opposed to other sugary drinks such as pop are more likely to lose weight. Chia seeds are among the superfoods that carry very few calories. Studies suggest that they have various health benefits, which includes losing weight and burning body fat. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidant rich in nutrients, omega fat, antioxidants, and fiber. All of these ingredients are great on their own, but together they are a powerhouse for losing weight and burning fat. Drinking this smoothie for breakfast will keep you fuller longer and reduce your urge to eat. As a result, drinking this smoothie for breakfast will contribute to weight loss. All you need for this super weight loss smoothie is 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 2 cups of fresh baby spinach, 1 cup of milk or dairy substitute, half a large or 1 small ripe banana. Combine all these ingredients in a blender and blend for 60 seconds. This creamy, healthy, delicious smoothie is fitting for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is easy to prepare, which makes it ideal for weight loss. These ingredients are also easy to incorporate in your diet. To maximize the fat burning and weight loss effect of this smoothie, be sure to consume this smoothie with a balanced diet and exercise. This quick, easy, and delicious smoothie is also vegan friendly. Substitute the milk for soy milk or any other vegan-friendly dairy substitute. I hope you enjoy this video, and for more smoothie videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, as well as leave a comment below in the comment box. This is Miss Work in Progress. I will see you in the next video.